I am Noor and you are watching Mobile Solutions. Today I have got a device Huawei mediapad 3 7.0. Thanks for watching another video of my channel, and today we are going to teach you how to open the pattern lock or how to hard reset the Huawei mediapad 3. So keep watching this video and follow me. First of all, we have to press and hold the power button for 2 seconds and volume up. 1 2 and press volume up. Once Huawei mediapad screen is appeared, release the power button. Now you can release all button. You can see here EMUI. You will see here 3 options: reboot, system now, wipe data factory reset, and wipe cache partition. So we have to select the wipe data factory reset and click OK here. Now you can see 2 options. So again we have to slide down, click on wipe data factory reset, click again. As you can see, format is started, so it will take normally 2-3 minutes. As you can see, factory reset is completed. Now we can reboot it. So we have to click on reboot system now. Now tab is rebooting. It will take 2 or 3 minutes to boot completely, so we'll have to wait. As you can see, my phone is rebooted completely. Now we have to select the language. And click skip, agree. You can see here, you can skip it now. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give thumbs up and be sure to share this video with anyone you know maybe he experiencing the similar problem. Also, if there are any question, comment, suggestion that may benefit anyone watching this video, be sure to leave a comment in a comment section. If you are facing same problem in your phone, so contact us. We will try our best to solve your problem by remote. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.